So how's your Saturday going? Mine's been really interesting. Check this out. What are you doing, Josh?
Fixing his car.
What is it, Josh?
James Bond car.
James Bond car. What have we found here, Josh?
Plugs are fouled.
So the one on the right is out of the Jag, the one on the left's out of Repco. What'd you do, Josh?
Tighten up the spark plug leads and replace the plugs.
And is it better?
A hell of a lot better.
Oh, smooth as a baby's bottom. Look at that, folks, there's an engine right there. Woo. Look at that. The wheels are off. Woo! There we go. Now, we've taken them off because they need to be cleaned. And so this is your Saturday, COVID-19. It's been pretty cool.
Happy days.
Happy days.
Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. I'm talking about the happy days. Oh, happy day. Come on and talk about the happy day.